Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and we're out, you guys. We're at an RV park. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, yeah, so we told you guys we got we get the tires done, we got the wheel bearings done, the whole undercarriage is done, and now we still needed to make sure that everything still worked, because it's been almost a year and a half since we used the air conditioner and all that. So we'll just show you our setup here. Oh, by the way, yeah, we're at Pioneer RV Resort, which is just north of Phoenix. You know, like 5 miles. I-17 is over here to the east, and actually there's a federal correctional facility that's like 2 miles toward those mountains over there. I think it's like minimum security or medium security, but I'll be in in a second. Yeah, we're all set up here. Everything's working. The air conditioner works, which that was the main thing I was worried about, because we've been having some cool days here in Phoenix. 95 with lows like 80. So yeah, those are cooler days. But yeah, all set up here. New power cord. Got the water hose. We still got to do the floor in the Prowler though. There's Bear. Bear's enjoying it. Yeah, I know. I talked to my vehicles. Yeah. Had a beautiful sunset beautiful. Oh, you know what? On my morning walk this morning, I walked down through here. It's pretty big RV resort, and reasonable price. We're probably going to spend some time here this winter, you know, here and there. Yeah, I saw a couple of javelina. We are in the desert here. This resort is in the desert. So I saw a couple of javelina, which I'll put the pictures right here. Bing. And yeah, so that was neat. I've seen a lot of javelina living in Phoenix. So yeah, okay, so we'll take you guys in this Pioneer Heritage Museum is right there. See those buildings? Let's go in. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty in here. We need to do the floor, which we're going to do probably, well, soon. But we just kind of got some, I don't know what you call it, that fight, I don't know what you call it, you know, that membrane or that, here, I'm going to show you this, covering the subfloor. But again, we were very comfortable last night. When we store it, we put it back in storage. We put all the reflectics on, and everything worked. Freezer froze hard as a rock. The fridge cooled down. It was still cold. Yeah. So anyway, I know that this is short, but we're trying to keep you guys updated. We are going to take it out again here in a couple 2 or 3 weeks, and might go somewhere else, but probably come. Well, you know what, we
Probably go somewhere else.
watch your head on that.
Yeah.
We have both cracked our head on this thing so many times in the past. But anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for sticking with us. We're gonna get more adventures coming here. We just had some things we have to do. So all right, we love you guys. Please share this video for like-minded people getting their RVs ready. And we love you guys. We'll see you
On our next adventure.
Okay, see you soon. Bye.